Welcome to Auto Experience, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of the hottest vehicles on the market. In today's video, we will be diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade, exploring its specs, features, and what makes this SUV a top contender in its class. The Toyota Fortuner has been a staple in the SUV market for years, known for its durability, performance, and premium features. In 2025, Toyota has taken the Fortuner to the next level with the release of the Crusade trim, which offers a blend of luxury, technology, and off-road capability. This new iteration promises to cater to the needs of both adventure seekers and those looking for a comfortable family SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Fortuner Crusade comes with a robust engine lineup. It is powered by a 2.8-litre turbocharged diesel engine, which produces an impressive amount of power while maintaining fuel efficiency. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and ensuring that the vehicle performs efficiently in various driving conditions. The engine produces a solid 150 kilowatts of power and a torque of 500 Newton meters, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade is its advanced four-wheel drive system, which ensures excellent traction and stability on rugged terrains. Whether you are driving through muddy trails, steep hills, or rocky paths, the Fortuner Crusade is designed to handle it all with ease. Its suspension system has also been upgraded to provide a more comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces, making it a great option for long trips. In terms of size, the Fortuner Crusade has a commanding presence on the road. It features a muscular and bold exterior design that is instantly recognizable. The front grille has been redesigned, with sleek LED headlights that give the vehicle a modern and aggressive look. The SUV also comes with stylish alloy wheels, roof rails, and chrome accents that enhance its premium appeal. Overall, the exterior design of the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade is a perfect mix of ruggedness and elegance. On the inside, the 2025 Fortuner Crusade offers a spacious and luxurious cabin, packed with features designed for comfort and convenience. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, providing a plush feel for both the driver and passengers. The front seats are electrically adjustable and come with heating and ventilation options, ensuring that everyone stays comfortable in all weather conditions. The second-row seats offer ample legroom and can be folded flat to increase cargo space, making the Fortuner Crusade perfect for both family outings and weekend getaways. The cabin of the Fortuner Crusade is equipped with a range of high-tech features to enhance the driving experience. The SUV comes with a large 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone for music, navigation, and hands-free calling. The system is intuitive and easy to use, with a responsive interface and clear graphics. Additionally, the Fortuner Crusade features a premium sound system that delivers rich, high-quality audio, making every drive more enjoyable. In terms of safety, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade is loaded with advanced features to protect both the driver and passengers. It comes with Toyota's Safety Sense suite of technologies, including pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. These features work together to help prevent accidents and make driving safer and more convenient. The Fortuner Crusade also comes with a 360-degree camera system, providing a bird's-eye view of the surroundings to help with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. In addition to the standard safety features, the 2025 Fortuner Crusade is equipped with multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, and stability control to ensure that the vehicle performs optimally in different driving conditions. The vehicle's strong build and high safety ratings make it a great choice for families who prioritize safety. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade is not only a performance-oriented SUV but also a fuel-efficient one. Despite its powerful engine, it offers good fuel economy for its class, thanks to the diesel powertrain and advanced technologies that help optimize fuel usage. Whether you're taking a long road trip or simply commuting around the city, the Fortuner Crusade will help you save on fuel without sacrificing performance. Toyota has also focused on improving the driving experience with the Fortuner Crusade, ensuring that the vehicle delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps and rough patches on the road, making it a great choice for long drives. The vehicle also has excellent road clearance, allowing it to tackle even the toughest terrains with ease. In terms of technology, the Fortuner Crusade comes with a host of convenient features designed to make your life easier. The SUV offers keyless entry and push-button start, as well as a powered tailgate for easy access to the cargo area. The vehicle also comes with a wireless charging pad for your smartphone, ensuring that you never run out of battery on the go. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade is a versatile SUV that blends luxury, performance, and practicality in a way that few competitors can match. It is the perfect choice for those who want a vehicle that can handle both city driving and off-road adventures, while offering a high level of comfort and convenience. Whether you're taking a family vacation or heading off the beaten path for an adventure, the Fortuner Crusade is up for the task. So, if you're considering purchasing an SUV that combines power, luxury, safety, and advanced technology, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner Crusade should definitely be on your list. We hope you found this review helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews, news, and updates in the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video on Auto Experience.